Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Your SIM must be 5G provisioned, and your router must explicitly support 5G NR. Once done, back up the router configuration so you can restore if needed. Make sure to insert the SIM while the router is powered off, then power on. After boot, open the router's web admin or official app and log in with the admin credentials. This gets you into the device quickly, so you can change cellular and Wi-Fi parameters without delays. Now you configure the cellular and Wi-Fi layers together. Switch the modem's mobile network mode to 5G or 5G/auto so the device can latch onto NR signals. Enable automatic band selection to let it pick the best carrier frequency. Enter Airtel's APN details and choose IP4/IP6 per your plan. This ensures data sessions register correctly. Then set the Wi-Fi SSID, strong WPA2/WPA3 security. Finish by rebooting and verifying. Connect a phone or laptop and run a speed test and ping. You should see lower latency and higher throughput when on 5G. Make sure to change the default admin password and enable automatic firmware updates for stability and security. If you don't get 5G, make sure you are in a covered area. Reseat the SIM, toggle network mode to 4G then back to 5G, and confirm Airtel provisioning. If problems persist, contact Airtel support for SIM activation checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.